Hi, I'm Denise Medved, and I'm the creator and founder of a program called Ageless Grace that's based on the science of neuroplasticity, or brain elasticity, the ability of the brain and the central nervous system to actually change its form and function when stimulated by different physical activities. The program activates all 5 functions of the brain, as well as addresses all 21 physical skills that are necessary for lifelong optimal function. So, the 5 functions of the brain that I'd like to tell you about today are SMAC, S-M-A-C-K. I like to think of that as the sound of the neurons firing in the brains when we're attempting to do something new that we're not familiar with. So the first one, S, stands for strategic planning, the ability to think and get about physically and mentally from point A to point G, and what are the points in between. The second one is memory and recall. Memory meaning that I remember an experience that I've actually had. Recall that I am remembering what I know about an experience. So for example, I can play the piano. So if I pretend I'm playing the piano, that's memory because I've done it before. Recall would be if I played the trombone, which I've never even held in my hands, but I think I know a lot about it from watching it on TV, in concerts, or reading. The next one is analytical thinking. And analytical thinking is to be able to look at the different parts or components that make up an activity or a process in some way or another. The next one is called creativity and imagination. Imagination is literally an image in your mind. If I were to say, let's pretend we're on the beach sipping pina coladas and looking at the sunset, you'll all have a different picture of what that looks like. Creativity is doing something in a unique or different way. Not that it's never been done before, but that it's a new and creative approach. So I could make a circle with my hand, or I could say, let's pretend that we're polishing our brand new red sports car, which is a creative way of doing the same thing with the hand. The last one is kinesthetic learning, which is learning from the body or through the body, and then the brain observes what we're doing and processes it. That's basically how we learn from the time we were born until we're about 18 to 21 years old, and those types of activities are what we focus on in Ageless Grace, the 5 functions of the brain.